Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today I got a real quick one here. Who doesn't love cake, right? So we're going to go over Thrills by Cake. This is not a song that I'd heard up until recently. I've been listening to my Discover Weekly playlist on Spotify, and as songs come up that I haven't heard before that I think would be fun to learn, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to share this one with you guys. It's a lot of fun. Again, it should be pretty quick, pretty simple, but it's a fun one to play, and that riff will get stuck in your head. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. All right, so Thrill starts out here on these two triads, whatever, who cares. You had a G and an A. So index finger, 7th fret here of that B, middle finger, 7th fret of the E, and ring on the 8th of the B here. You're doing that 4 times, so it's really just a down, up, down, up. And then from there, you just slide that up, or down, technically up to the 9th fret here. And this one you do 5 times. So that's going to be down, up, down, up, down. So. Really, that's it. From that guitar perspective, that's what that guitar plays throughout the entire song. And from there, the second guitar part, this fun little riff here. A lot of fun to play, and really you're just kind of in this. I'm not exactly sure what scale that is, but. Sounds nice though. It's got a nice little feel to it. Okay, so I will go ahead and put the tab up for this piece. It's really not too difficult. It does take a little getting used to initially, as most of these types of things do, but it's not that bad. It's actually really good. You know, if you're trying to work on solos and improvisation, trying to get your fingers moving really well. That's actually a pretty nice just a good little scale, just to kind of play around with, just to kind of work on that. So, sorry. So that's the first part there. And I definitely recommend using your pinkies here, as that will really help. You know, again, if you want to work on soloing and, you know, kind of doing that improv type of thing, you want to have all your fingers being able to move pretty well. So any opportunity you can get to work on the pinky, highly recommended. Do that one more time. Okay, and the second part. here. Alright guys, again, like I said, it's going to be a really quick one. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you have a little bit of fun with this one. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.